Hello everyone. Today I will tell you about Club of Destitute Poets. We all know that there are many clubs at many places and people enter this club for their entertainment. But this club was different. It was a club for destitute poets. One of my poet friend Umesh had met many poets in Paris, the capital of France. A young boy became the friend of Umesh. He used to visit Umesh in his hotel room and read the written material of Umesh. Right? The young boy was not a poet, but he loved poems. And he told Umesh that there is a club of destitute poets in Paris. So Umesh told that we will visit that place, right? And but the boy told not many people go there because first it was very far off from the site, and second, not many members
Obey
uh,
rules.
agreed to the rules of the club. But Umesh did not mind. They went to the club, and the entry to the club was from the basement. The time of evening and area of destitute club, the city committee provided insufficient light. Right, but it was quite warm in the club. The warmth was not because of burning woods of the brazier. The brazier was cool. It was because of the laughter and blooming crowd. Right? Being the month of January, Umesh felt little
Cold.
cold. Right. And it was quite long and wide room. Around 150 gents and ladies were busy in different frolic and fun. A lady had the contract to provide eatables. She came near Umesh. The young boy introduced Umesh to the lady. The lady, right, and before this, the Umesh, when he entered, he started mingling with the many poets there. But then, when the lady took the Umesh to another table, entire crowd encircled Umesh. Some offered their drinks, others shook hands with Umesh, and many looked with good eyes, smiling eyes. Right? Umesh had also the trick of shifting hearts to the eyes, and when he did that, entire crowd encircled Umesh, and they were very happy, and told that we are very happy to see you and talk to you. So that should be the criteria. Thank you.